The Natural History Museum possesses a data set full of information of specimens collected through time, but that information is not being used. Our project allows us to analyze that data and retrieve information from it. In this map, we can view all the occurrences found in the world on the exact location they were discovered. We can see that from all the continents, Europe is the one that possesses the highest amount of occurrences found. Other conclusion that can be found is that the majority of the occurrences are found on the coast of the continents. We can zoom to be able to see more clearly the location. We've seen before the occurrences distribution in space. Now we see the distribution in time in the last 18 years. Each year is divided to show the number of occurrences in each continent. Below we can see the total of occurrences by country divided by continent. If we select the continent on top, the graphic below is filtered showing the occurrences by the countries of that continent in that year. This dashboard shows the amount of occurrences found in each country. We can see that England is the country with more occurrences found. Below we can see the kingdoms of the species found by continents. The majority of the species belong to the kingdom Animalia. This dashboard contains two graphics, one of them referring to the life stage of the species at the time of death, and the other referring to the sampling protocol of the species. We can see from the first graphic the most common life stage, like adult, egg, juvenile, or even larva, and from the second graphic the sampling protocols that are most frequent, such as beacon, hook and line, and net. This information allows us to see the tendency of these attributes. Dashboard we are shown 3 different graphics that refer to different information. On the left top corner we can see the variation of the duration of the collection of the occurrence depending on the number of geologists. We can see that having a higher number of geologists doesn't mean that the duration of the collection decreases. The left we have information about the sex of the species. We can conclude that the discrepancy exists, being male the most common sex of the individuals. Below we have the variation of the depth and the elevation in which the individuals were found by continent. Asia is where we find the highest elevation, followed by South America and Africa. In terms of depth, Africa is the continent where the depth is the highest, followed by Europe. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.